Gold-IRA Guide. Secure your retirement savings. The value of the US dollar is slowly depreciating, and this can have a costly effect on your 401k accounts with a Gold IRA. The longer you keep your 401k retirement fund in dollars, the less you will actually have when you're ready to retire. How can you secure your retirement fund from this type of depreciation? If you already have a 401k from a previous place of employment, then you may be able to roll over your money into another type of retirement account. Investing your 401k into an IRA or a self-directed IRA allows you to invest your money through a number of different holdings. These types of holdings, such as real estate investments or precious metals, are far more stable and profitable for you. If you are, however, working a job for which your 401k is currently active, then you will not be able to roll over your current 401k to a new IRA account. You can contribute to and open an IRA account alongside your current 401k. A Gold IRA, otherwise known as a precious metals IRA, is one that converts your previous 401k into gold. These type of IRAs are one of the more effective ways to ensure your retirement savings is safe from devaluation and debasement. With a Gold IRA, you will not have to worry about your financial freedom and can entrust the fund you have been saving for years remains safe. There are certain limitations to IRS-approved precious metals, which may be held in a Gold IRA, which can be found in Section 408M3, aka IRC 408, of the Internal Revenue Codes. Request your free guide now by clicking on the link below to learn more about how a Gold IRA can foolproof your retirement and unlock huge potential.